I enjoy talking in English while preparing meals because it improves my fluency.
I feel the same, and I like turning the kitchen into a small language classroom.
I start by describing every step aloud, which makes the process more fun.
I follow that method too, especially when I chop vegetables.
I find that explaining each movement strengthens memory and confidence.
I notice that my focus increases when I describe actions in detail.
I like telling myself what ingredients I am using before I begin cooking.
I try mentioning the colors and textures so my vocabulary grows.
I enjoy thinking about the aroma of spices and expressing it in English.
I enjoy comparing different spices and practicing descriptive words.
I feel more confident when I talk about the sound of sizzling oil.
I enjoy describing that sound because it adds excitement to cooking.
I like narrating how I mix the ingredients in the pan.
I enjoy talking about the heat level and the way the food changes.
I observe that speaking during cooking helps me stay present.
I notice that it makes the whole experience smoother and more enjoyable.
I enjoy pretending that I am hosting a cooking show in English.
I follow that idea and imagine a friendly audience listening to me.
I like greeting my imaginary viewers and introducing the recipe.
I describe the ingredients with the enthusiasm as if I am on a real set.
I explain each step with clear sentences to improve clarity.
I add expressions that make the explanation sound lively.
I describe how the onions turn golden while I stir them.
I talk about the sweet smell that fills the kitchen.
I like expressing the difference between raw ingredients and cooked ones.
I enjoy explaining how the texture changes during the process.
I share my thoughts aloud when I decide to add more spices.
I describe the reason behind each choice while stirring the pot.
I enjoy talking about the steam rising from the pan.
I like explaining how the steam carries the fragrance around.
I describe the vegetables softening slowly as they cook.
I express how the colors become brighter and more vibrant.
I enjoy discussing the cooking time for each ingredient.
I explain how the timing affects the final taste.
I talk about adjusting the flame to avoid burning the food.
I describe how controlling heat gives better results.
I explain how the sauce thickens as it simmers.
I talk about the smooth texture forming gradually.
I enjoy mentioning the flavors blending together.
I describe how the ingredients complement one another.
I talk about the freshness of herbs when I sprinkle them on top.
I explain the change in aroma after adding them.
I enjoy expressing the sense of accomplishment I feel while cooking.
I describe how speaking in English adds pride to the moment.
I talk about plating the food with care and creativity.
I describe the way colors look on the plate.
I share my thoughts about the first bite when the food is ready.
I express the satisfaction that comes with the final taste.
I enjoy talking about the health benefits of the ingredients.
I explain how balanced meals improve daily energy.
I describe how I clean the kitchen while speaking in English.
I talk about organizing utensils and keeping everything tidy.
I enjoy expressing gratitude for the ingredients I used.
I describe how good it feels to prepare something with love.
I talk about learning new cooking words every day.
I express how practice helps those words enter daily use.
I like repeating difficult phrases while stirring the pot.
I enjoy replacing simple words with more advanced vocabulary.
I talk about comparing spices from different regions.
I describe the unique smell each one brings to the dish.
I express my thoughts about experimenting with new recipes.
I talk about discovering flavors that surprise me.
I describe the joy of making traditional dishes while speaking English.
I explain how the combination of culture and language feels special.
I enjoy creating short English sentences while cutting vegetables.
I like forming longer sentences when I start cooking them.
I describe the rhythm of chopping and stirring.
I talk about how that rhythm makes speaking easier.
I enjoy explaining cooking mistakes aloud so I remember them.
I describe ways to avoid them the next time.
I talk about the shine on freshly washed vegetables.
I describe the cool touch and crisp texture.
I enjoy narrating the way rice absorbs water while cooking.
I describe the softness it reaches when it is done.
I talk about kneading dough with steady hands.
I describe the dough becoming smooth under pressure.
I enjoy expressing how warm spices enhance comfort food.
I describe the cozy feeling they bring to the kitchen.
I talk about the excitement of trying new techniques.
I describe how each technique changes the outcome.
I enjoy explaining how marination improves flavor.
I describe the tenderness it gives to the food.
I talk about garnishing dishes with fresh ingredients.
I describe how garnishing adds beauty and taste.
I enjoy sharing my inner thoughts about food combinations.
I describe interesting contrasts in flavor and texture.
I talk about tasting the sauce to check its balance.
I describe the richness or lightness I find in it.
I enjoy expressing the warmth of the kitchen while cooking.
I describe how the warmth makes the space welcoming.
I talk about storing leftovers properly after cooking.
I describe ways to keep them fresh for longer.
I enjoy reflecting on my language progress during cooking.
I describe how far I have come by practicing daily.
I talk about setting small goals for each cooking session.
I describe the satisfaction of achieving those goals.
I enjoy imagining different scenarios while cooking.
I describe how those scenes help me create fluent sentences.
I talk about trying international dishes to learn new vocabulary.
I describe the unique culinary styles I discover.
I enjoy speaking about cooking tools as I use them.
I describe how each tool makes tasks easier.
I talk about the crackling sound when spices hit hot oil.
I describe the burst of aroma that follows.
I enjoy explaining the texture of dough changing under my hands.
I describe the transformation into a soft, elastic shape.
I talk about mixing sauces with slow movements.
I describe how the sauce becomes smooth and even.
I enjoy sharing thoughts about keeping balance in flavors.
I describe how sweetness, sourness, and spice work together.
I talk about the freshness of garlic when I crush it.
I describe the strong aroma that spreads instantly.
I enjoy explaining the steps of frying something lightly.
I describe the golden layer forming on the surface.
I talk about boiling ingredients until they reach softness.
I describe the gentle bubbling that fills the pot.
I enjoy expressing the excitement of tasting food while cooking.
I describe the small changes I make after tasting.
I talk about the way spices color the food beautifully.
I describe the rich tones spreading across the dish.
I enjoy describing the crunchiness of freshly cooked snacks.
I talk about the sound they make when I bite them.
I express thoughts about the comfort of warm home-cooked meals.
I describe the feeling of relaxation they bring.